Alrighty guys, welcome back to Monster Alert Tutorial. Today when it's warmer again, I put in my flash because my room's dark right now. So I got the Monster Mutt, part of the Rough Crowd series. Monster Jam, Real Trucks for Action Monster Jam, spinmaster.com. There it is. Monster Jam at the bottom. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this now. Okay. There it is, guys. There's a Monster Mutt, guys. The bizarre things are rims. That's the bizarre, but still cool. They're blue and brown roll cage, like a teal blue rims and tires, rims and beadlocks. Black tires, the teeth of the Monster Mutt, the wrinkles here, and the tongue, a little hair up here, the ears down. Other side, Monster Jam logo. Monster Jam on the back, the tail, and blue teal chassis. Well, yeah, brown roll cage, teal chassis. There's that one more to go. Peace out.